impact of the coronavirus pandemic has taken a great toll on the economic capacity of most Nigerians. Perhaps more than others, the weak and vulnerable members of our nation, whose means of livelihood have come under strain and severe affected. As one of the largest foods and agro-allied groups in Nigeria that has shared such a deep connection with Nigeria for 60 years, we understand that our role in society remains vital. To that end, Flour Mills of Nigeria is committed to our purpose of feeding the nation every day by collaborating with stakeholders including governments, communities, and interest groups across our food value chains to provide relief through the supply of free food products to the most vulnerable across the country. We commend the state government through the leadership of His Excellency, Professor Ben Ayade, for the steps taken so far to curb the spread of the novel COVID-19 virus and encourage all Nigerians to stay safe and continue to adhere to the necessary protective measures against the virus and other diseases. Wash your hands thoroughly or use alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Practice good personal hygiene. Maintain social distancing. Stay informed and follow advice given by the World Health Organization and federal and state health agencies, including the Nigeria Center for Disease Control. For a company like ours that had shared such a deep connection with Nigeria for 60 years, we understand the challenges, especially during these trying times. As such, Flour Mills of Nigeria is committed to support relief efforts across the country and ensuring that our production processes go on unhindered, so that families, Nigerian families, can continue to get access to Golden Penny food products that is healthy, safe, and nutritious.
I'd like to thank you for keeping faith with the government of His Excellency, the digital governor, the people-oriented governor, Senator Professor Ben Ayade. I'm also still proud to announce to you that as of today, Cross River State is still COVID-19 free. We intend to keep that record and continue to record zero incidents of coronavirus in our state. So what you have done today for us as a state and for the people of Cross River State will go a long way to strengthen what the governor is already doing in terms of containing this and retaining this pride or this state of being zero incidents, recording zero incidents of coronavirus.
When people are locked down, the major challenge the economy will face is food security. So what Flour Mill have done at this point to the state is so impressive. It's so impressive, and we thank them.
And other staffs of Flour Mills of Nigeria have just come here to present us with the Golden Penny Semovita as their support in the cause of fighting COVID-19. There are some who only feed from what they get in a day, from what they sell in a day, and therefore staying at home will affect them very badly. And so the state has thought of that and decided that we're going to augment the citizens with some food items, especially those who are very poor. And that is why we are stocking food here to see that we meet the needs of these categories of people. And here, Flour Mills of Nigeria has been very thoughtful in the course of carrying out their corporate social responsibility. They have decided that COVID-19 is not a fight left for the government alone. They have decided to come and support us, and they have brought us 12,000 bags of Semovita to support this cause of augmenting food supply for Cross Riverians. And so I want to tell Golden Penny, Flour Mills of Nigeria, thank you very much for your support. This will go a long way and will ensure that this reaches every citizen of Cross River who is on the register, on the poor register of the state. This will reach them and will augment their food supply. So I want to once again, on behalf of my husband and the executive members of the state here gathered, other officials and the COVID-19 task force, thank you very much and say God bless you.